Today, I'll guide you through the proper steps for washing your hair system for the first time. Preparing the hair system. Start by gently removing the hair system from the net, being careful not to tug or pull on the hair strands. Also, take off the tag attached to it. Wetting and shampooing. Before applying shampoo, wet the hair system thoroughly with lukewarm water. It's essential to use a shampoo that is specifically designed for hair systems. Apply a small amount of shampoo to the hair system. Avoid scrubbing or tangling the hair, as this could cause unnecessary wear and tear. Conditioning. After shampooing, apply a lightweight, silicone-free conditioner to keep the hair soft and manageable. Focus on the ends and avoid the base of the hair system. While the hair system is still damp and conditioned, using a vent brush, work your way up gently to remove any tangles or knots. Avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage. Drying. Carefully blot the hair system to remove excess water. Never rub or wring out the hair, as this can lead to frizz and breakage. Remember to dry the base before attaching the hair. This will guarantee an effective adhesive hold. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.